Hey guys, Mrs. Snecka here. I hope that you're ready for our next lesson on slope. Also, I pre-apologize for any messiness. My normal Bluetooth pen that I use for this is having some issues, so I'm trying another one, and I'm not as good with it as I am the other, so it may get a little sloppy, and I apologize. So the first thing we're going to do here is write the equation of a line given 2 points. So remember, y equals mx plus b. Yeah, this pen, don't like this one as much as the others. So first, you need to, before you can really find anything else, you need to know what the slope is. Okay, so you find the slope by doing y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So when you subtract the top, you'll get 6. On the bottom, you'll get 1. So your slope is 6. Alright, the next thing we need, so we have our m, we need our b. So to find the y-intercept, wow, I don't like this pen. Okay, to find the y-intercept, you're going to use one of the points and plug in y. We found the slope was 6, and with this point the x is 3 plus b, and we're going to solve for b. So 25 equals 18 plus b, subtract 18 from both sides, and you get 25 minus 18, sorry, I have the wrong thing on my notes, 7 equals b. Okay, so this wanted us to write an equation of a line. So we have y equals, our slope was 6, x plus 7. So there is your answer. And on to example 2 with the worst pen ever. Okay, so point slope form. This is also the equation of a line. We don't use it very much at all. Sometimes it can be a little more helpful than using slope intercept form. So we're going to be using point slope form to help us with this next equation. So use the point slope formula to write the equation of each line given the slope and a point that lies on the line. And then in the end we want our answer in slope intercept form. So we had m times x minus x1 equals y minus y1. Okay, so they gave us the slopes. We have 9 times x minus x1, which is 2, equals y, which is 21. Nope, it's not. Sorry. Just y minus y1. Okay, so the x1 and the y1 come from the point given. The x and the y, we just leave as x and y. Those are the x and y's, and y equals mx plus b, if that makes any sense. So now we are just solving and putting this in slope-intercept form. So I have to use the distributive property, do 9 times x and 9 times 2, so 9 times x is 9x minus 9 times 2, which is 18, equals y minus 21. So in order to get it in slope-intercept form, or y equals mx plus b, I need the y by itself. So all I'm going to do is move this 21 to the other side so that y can be by itself. So then I have, that's supposed to be plus 21. So now I have 9x plus 3 equals y. So in slope-intercept form, we have y equals 9x plus 3. And that would be my answer. Okay, I've got one more thing for you. This is standard form. So a, b, and c are constants, and a and b cannot equal 0. So here would be an example. Calculate the y-intercept and x-intercept for each linear equation in standard form. So this is where the standard form might come in handy. Okay, so let's first find the y-intercept. I really hope I get my pen fixed soon, because this is disgusting. Okay, so the y-intercept, remember, is where the y-axis crosses, or the line crosses the y-axis, and x is 0. Okay, so all we got to do here is put a 0 in for x. So when x equals 0, what does y equal? Okay, so this is 4 times 0 is 0, so we have 6y equals 48, and we're just solving for y. So y equals 48 divided by 6, which is 8. Okay, so that's my y-intercept. Now let's find the x-intercept. So, I promise I will get my pen working and make it look prettier next time. Okay, so same equation, but this time when you're finding the x-intercept, that's when y equals 0. So you have 4x plus 6 times 0 equals 48. So you have 4x equals 48. To solve for x, divide both sides by 4. X equals 12. Okay, so with this equation, the graph crosses the y-axis at the point 0, 8, and it crosses the x-axis at the point 12, 0. Okay, well that is all I have for you for today's lesson. I hope you enjoy it. Sorry for the sloppy handwriting. I'm sure you've seen worse. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.